Well, we got rained out in Clarksville, so we will be heading to Crossville tomorrow. 10 to 1, they have a front end of the track testing, and then from 1 to 3, they have end of the track testing. So with that being said, got the slicks and everything, got the weight in the car. She's healthy. I fought a boost leak. Where's that thing at? Oh, I don't even know. Anyways, fought a boost leak, slow spool, blah, 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 blah. I had a huge leak coming from the shaft of the aftermarket throttle body I had, the cheap Amazon one, so I'll use that on my truck. Went back to the stock throttle body on this. Doesn't matter, it'll work fine. And we're gonna load this mug up and get ready for tomorrow. Out here waiting on somebody else, fueled up and ready to go. Alright, so far for the past hour, drove a long way to work on it. Found something leaking after I pulled on the trailer. That is fixed. So we are about to go give her a whirl. Lane's just open. So the first pass did not go the way I wanted. It went to 629. Had to get out of her, but I had air in the system and it blew water, of course, on my windshield. So we're gonna make a little see what that does. All right, got my boost issue fixed. So somebody unfortunately wrecked. So they're canceling the rest of the front end of the stuff. So now we got the Hoosiers on it. Got the weight in it. Got my new expansion tank from where I decided to puke a little bit because I had air in it. So we are safe and ready to rock.